Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to flick keys to enter in symbols or numbers using GBoard keyboard. So did you know GBoard lets you flick up or down on a key to quickly enter a symbol or a number? You don't need to switch any layouts every time. You can just go ahead and swipe on the letter key to instantly get a symbol. So here in the example, I'll go ahead and open a message and we're using GBoard. And as you can see, these letters also have a number at the top right of them. If you want to go ahead and use these numbers, you just need to go ahead and flick down and those numbers will appear. So I'm not even changing the keyboard layout. I'm just going ahead and flicking down on those keys. So this basically saves you time. Instead of going to numbers, taking a number, then going back to letters, you can go ahead and just flick the key and use the numbers which are available there. So let me show you how you can enable this on your Samsung Galaxy device using the GBoard. So on your GBoard, you want to go ahead and tap on Settings. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on Preference. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and you want to go ahead and find Flick Keys to enter symbols. So go ahead and turn this feature on. So you can touch a key and pull downwards to enter its hinted symbol. And then you want to go ahead and configure the flick input sensitivity. So you can go ahead and test it out if you want low or high. I've just kept it to normal as it works for me. Now you want to go back and you want to go ahead and test them out. So this saves time when typing fast. It makes messaging, note taking, and password entry much more quicker. And this is great for one-handed use, especially on big Galaxy screens. So there you go, guys. That is how to flick keys to enter in symbols on your GBoard keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy device.